back, guys. So we are on our way out to the farm at the moment. We need to pick up the big trailer out there, and then we are going to be heading over to the metal roofing place to pick up our roofing. Today's Tuesday. I called them yesterday afternoon, and they said, yep, looks like everything's finally ready to go. So we are going to go pick that up today. Well, it took them a little bit of searching around over there, but they finally found all my panels and the trim pieces, so I think we are set up and good to go, and we are on our way back to the farm now, and we'll drop off the trailer and stuff there. And as I'm sure you'll be able to see through the dash cam, we've got a little bit of rain coming down today, so I don't think we're going to do any actual work on putting anything else up today. I want that sheathing to be good and dry before we start covering it up, but at least we got it. So this could be a little bit interesting, I think, trying to get the trailer over near the sawmill. I've never taken it over there before, and it's a bit of a tight turn getting around through here, so I don't know. Well, that actually went a little bit smoother than I thought it might. It was pretty close going through the turning onto the bridge and then turning off from the bridge to come through the gate over here towards the sawmill. But, you know, take it slow, swing wide, and we did just fine. Okay, good news and bad news. Bad news is I didn't get to work on the shed anymore this past week. I just got too busy with other projects, took too much time. I just didn't have any time to get out here and do any work on that. However, the good news is that the one project I was working on, the truck, that is back up and running, as you can see it here behind me. The culprit was the catalytic converter. The material that's inside of that had kind of falling apart, and part of that was plugging the exhaust. Yeah, go figure that would make the engine run rough. So we got that sorted out. That's fixed, and so the truck is back up and running, which means my mobile tool shed is up and running, which makes it a whole lot easier to get out here and get stuff done. So that's it for this week. Next week we will be getting back out here to do more work. Hopefully we'll get in, well, we'll definitely get in the last little bit of the sheathing, that last foot and a half of that to do, and we'll get started on the felt paper, the underlayment, and probably the drip edge too as well. I doubt that we'll do anything on the panels, but who knows, time will tell. So as always, I appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you next week.